Andrew Turvey, Head of Park and Gardens at Hatfield Park. The Park and Gardens team are focused more than ever on looking at sustainability, and in one approach is about the machinery that we use. Traditionally we've been using two-stroke petrol machines which produce noise and vibration, but the same with whole body vibration, what's good for the operator, but we always forget what's better for the actual environment, and so it's not just us that's getting affected by those. So by using more and more electric, battery-powered equipment, we're finding that we're getting improvements for everyone, including wildlife.
So much better than using a two-stroke petrol hedge trimmer. These battery ones make my life much easier.
This is showing us an increase in biodiversity and the wildlife that's coming to the park. We've noticed this in many areas throughout these wildflower margins, and we're actually seeing the wildflowers increasing. So by our change of management and maintenance of these areas, from using sheep to robot mowers to large mowers, we're finding that we're getting a more diverse range of plants, and in return different wildlife coming to utilise those spaces.
At Easter, Halloween and Christmas we get asked to make decorative displays, and we try to use as many materials as we can that we find or forage from around the estate or would otherwise be being thrown out, such as towels from the house. That way we can get creative without having to use any new materials, or as few as possible.